How much does it cost to repair a hybrid battery in a Toyota Prius or a similar car? When it comes to hybrid batteries, you're looking at a situation where the juice is, quite literally, the lifeblood of the car. The Toyota Prius, a poster child for hybrid technology, has been cruising American roads for over 2 decades now, so it's not surprising that battery repair or replacement is a topic on many Prius owners' minds. The cost of repairing a hybrid battery can vary quite a bit. I can tell you this much. It's almost never cheap. But let's break it down. For most Prius models, if you're facing a complete battery replacement, you're looking at anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000. It's a broad range, but think about it like this. Are you opting for a brand new battery from the dealership, or are you okay with a refurbished one? New will always run you more dough. Dealership prices for a fresh battery can hit the upper end of that spectrum. Refurbished batteries, on the other hand, can be less harsh on the wallet. Some places in good old Portland, Oregon, might quote you closer to $1,500 to $2,500. And if you're a real do-it-yourselfer, maybe just buying the battery and getting your hands dirty is your cup of tea. But remember, with great power comes a chance to really mess up your car if you don't know what you're doing. Now let's dive a tad deeper. If it's just a repair, such as replacing a few bad cells within the battery, that might save you some cash. You're likely looking at $1,000 to $2,000. Again, it depends on the labor and parts. Remember, hybrid tech is awesome for the environment, but the maintenance can be a financial bear hug. And just like any car part, the price also varies by location, mechanic, and the exact issue you're having. It's also worth noting that we're living in a time when these batteries, and hybrid cars in general, are becoming more common, which means costs could continue to come down as competition heats up and technology advances. If you find yourself in need of battery work on your trusty Prius, shop around. Get a few quotes. And if you can afford to wait a bit, it can pay to hold off for a sale or a great deal. Sometimes patience really pays off, literally. And of course, the best way to avoid the sting of a big repair bill is regular maintenance. Keep your hybrid humming nicely with regular checkups, and you might just avoid the headache of a battery replacement for a good long while. If you're in Portland just like I am, we've got a bunch of reputable hybrid repair shops, so take advantage of that local expertise. Remember, Portland is sort of a haven for green tech and thinking, so you're in a good spot if you need to show your Prius some love. Good luck, and may the hybrid gods bless your electric endeavors.